Hey SwitchBot, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? Hey SwitchBot, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool mod right here. So basically what this is, like they mentioned right here, is a compact all-in-one infrared remote controller. So you can use this to actually control all your infrared remotes if you guys connect it on here. And you actually also use it to connect all like the SwitchBot devices if you guys want to connect it onto like your smart home devices like Alexa or Google Assistant or Siri. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when we first open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So you can see right here, they do provide a USB to a micro USB cable that you can use to activate the product and charge it up. And then right on top right here, we have the actual device. So when we take it out, you can see there's some more stuff in the bottom. So they do provide this tape right here that you can use to install the product and tape it on if you guys want to. And at the very bottom, they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to install it and how to use the product. And that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let me show you guys the actual product right here. So as you can see, this is basically what the product looks like right here. And the top part right here, they do have a little button that you can use as a reset button and the button to actually activate the product as well. If we turn it back, this is basically what it looks like right here. So they do give you guys a little hook option if you guys want to hang it on somewhere. And they do have the non-slip material if you guys want to like put it on the flat surface as well. And then right here is basically where it's going to plug in the cable to activate it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. So all we need to do is plug in the cable to activate the product and then we can start using it. So if you guys want to use it to connect it onto your like SwitchBot devices, you can definitely do all of that on the app. But if you guys want to connect like your remotes on here, it has to be an infrared remote. If you guys want to connect like a Bluetooth remote, it will not work on here. So I'm actually going to test this out to show you guys how to use it and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have the Hub Mini. So what I'm going to do is press the top part right here on the button and hold it down. Alright, so once you guys see it blinking like that, you guys can pair it onto the device. So I'm pressing this right here. Alright, so I found the device. So I want to enter all the information right here so we connect it. Alright, so once we got it connected, we can start pairing the device. So I'm connecting the remote that we have right here for my smart robot right here. Alright, so once you guys get to this page, you guys want to select whatever you guys want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use a robot vacuum. And it asks you guys to press the button on the remote. Alright, and I ask you guys to swipe left and right to choose the different models on here. So some of them doesn't have the schedule option, some of them doesn't have the mode option, and some of them doesn't have this auto option right here. So you just want to swipe left and right until you guys find the right one you guys want. Alright, so I'll just probably use this one right here. Alright, so now I can customize it. So the way how we customize it is by pressing this button right here on top. And you basically want to press on the button right here. And you guys want to use the remote on here. Alright, so let's test it out. Alright, so that works. You basically want to do the same thing for all the other ones as well. And if there's any buttons on here it doesn't have, you want to press the bottom button right here to add it. So I'm going to add all of them first and show you guys what it actually looks like when we're done. Alright, so I just finished setting up the remote right here. So I'm going to click on save. And now we can start using the remote on here instead of on the remote right here, which is pretty cool. So let's test it out.
Stop cleaning. Back to charge. Edge cleaning. Start to spray or clean. Quick mode. Normal mode. Turbo mode.
Alright, then definitely see the product definitely does work. It's super easy to set it all up. But that is basically how you use this product right here. Very easy and very straightforward, as you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys will quick test out the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. All you need to do is plug in the cable to activate the product. Then you guys can connect it onto your SwitchBot device on the app. Or if you guys saw in the video how I show you guys how to connect like your infrared remote onto the product. You can see it's actually pretty easy to use. So you definitely have the option to actually use the built-in remote on the actual device already. Or you guys can customize your own remote as well if you guys saw in the video. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys want to get a device where you can connect all of the SwitchBot devices. Or if you guys want to connect like your infrared remotes onto this product. So that way you guys can actually control it on the app as well. Then this product is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.